Hi everyone, welcome to Tuesday's Tips with Laurie. We've got super fun stuff planned for today. Isn't this adorable? So this actually is a sewing version of our new Christmas Chanel. Instead of the embroidery, we've also got a sewing version. And you still get the fun Chanel and a cute pom-pom, but check out these fringed eyebrows. Yes, these are done by hand and they're quite simple. So we're going to show you how to make these little fun fringed eyebrows by hand. So to start with, I like to use 3 strands of floss on a nice little sharp needle. We'll put a little knot at the end right here. Okay, now if you look at this diagram right here, I'm going to start at point A. This is the eyebrow, as if it were the eyebrow. I'm going to come up at point A, make a loop, and go down at point B. So I'll start with that first. Come up at point A, all the way. I'm going to grab it, and I'm going to go down at point B. And we're going to keep it because we want to make a loop. And trust me, you can have loops all different sizes and you're going to watch how magically this will work. You can see, oh, I was a little big, these are a little smaller, it's okay, it all works. So I'm going to hold that loop down now. I'm going to come up from A again and pull it, but not the loop through. Keep that loop. Go down at B, and these are a little bit bigger, enlarged to show so you can see it easier. But your eyebrows, you would make these a little bit closer together, like about 1/8 of an inch. So these are enlarged again so you can see. Then I'm going to come up at A again and back down at B, and that tacks that loop down in place so it's not going anywhere. Okay, that was and you just repeat that exact same step. I'm going to skip over here and go to A again. And remember, our first one is the loop. So we're going to make a loop and go down at B. And hold that loop. Again, it doesn't have to be the exact same size as the other one. Just keep it at least 1/2 inch long if you can. We're going to come up at A, holding that loop in place so it I don't lose it. You're going to go down at B. You're going to come up at A again, and then you've secured that second loop. And the reason that we skipped, it just makes it smoother and easier to go, and you'll go to the third one and you'll do that one. So now I'm going to pretend like I already did this third one, and I'm going to backtrack. So now I'm going to start at A and go to B the other direction. You see my little arrows? I started here, then I went this one, then I would do that one, then I'm going to come back and come back. And so we're going to go and make my loop. I want to make sure I have a nice good sized loop here. And then I'm going to do that again. I'm going to go A, backward to B, and I'm going to tack it down once. And then I'm going to tack it down twice. And then you can see the solid line now that's forming across the bottom. You see those two are connected. Now I'm going to do it again over here where there's a space. I'm going to go A, make my loop, go down at B, hold my loop in place right here. Then I'm going to come up at A. And this is just iron-on writing, so you can easily iron that off. If you wanted to make your marks, that would be a great idea. Down at B, that was once. Now I'm going to secure it with the second loop. And then you can tie a knot. So then I've got a solid line across here and a solid line of loops. Now, here's where the magic happens. So this one, as you can see, was all different sizes, and that's okay, because like I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect, I don't think. So what we're going to do is we're going to give these little eyelashes a trim. So we're going to just cut them off. You can cut them as long as you want or as short as you want. You see how cute those are? And then you can use your fingernails, a file, a brush, whatever you want. And then you just fray those eyelashes. And see how they start to... Eyebrows. Well, a girl would be eyelashes, right? If you make a Mrs. Claus. All right. And then you can trim them down. I'm going to trim them a little shorter. Give them a little wax job there, right there. All right. And then, this brush works really great. And you can see they make these cute little fringe. Now, if you, I didn't cut that one straight, did I? Right there. Now, look how cute. Can you just see all the possibilities? Look at that fun little Santa's Claus eyebrows. They're so cute. So this could be a Mrs. Claus if you wanted to and make them a little longer. Anyway, you have fun making fringe eyebrows. You could even do this as a little grass. Wouldn't that be cute with little flowers? You could have fun. That's a great little tip, I guess, for Tuesday. If you have any questions, send us you type your question up on Facebook and we'd be happy to answer it. And you have fun.